Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Sahil Mahajan, and in today's video, we're going to be having a discussion related to EC2 spot instances. So before we dive into the video, please make sure to subscribe. You guys subscribing motivates me to create more and awesome content. So now let's dive right into the video. So let's start off a discussion with what are spot instances. So an EC2 spot instance lets you take advantage of unused EC2 capacity in the cloud. And another really good feature about spot instances are that spot instances are available at up to 90% discount when you compare it to on-demand prices. So let's get a bit more into the specifics. Like when should you be using a spot instance? It is normally used for functions or functionalities that are stateless, fault tolerant, or are flexible applications. And what do we mean by this? Let's look into a few examples. A few examples would be, as, for example, big data processing. If you are doing any big data processing, wherein if the spot instance gets terminated, it does not impact. Or some high performance computing or any related development workloads. Now let's look into spot prices. Again, this is a very important concept that you guys should know in the scenario that you are planning to create spot instances. So firstly, you must decide on your maximum spot price. What would your maximum spot price be? So let's take, for example, my maximum spot price is going to be $1. Now, coming to the second point, the instance will be provisioned as long as the spot price is below your maximum spot price. So, Amazon has their own spot price. For example, if the current spot price is $0.5, as you can see, your maximum is $1 and the current spot price is zero point 0.5, your spot instance will be provisioned. But in the scenario that the spot price goes up to, for example, it becomes $1.1, this is above your maximum spot price. So your instance will be terminated or will not be created. The hourly spot price varies depending on capacity and region. So there is no specific spot price from region to region. It is all unique according to a region and according to the amount of capacity, unused EC2 capacity that is available in that specific region. And a really important point, if your spot price, if the spot price goes above your maximum spot price, you have 2 minutes to choose whether to stop or terminate your instance. So the scenario that your max spot price is $1, and in the scenario that this AWS spot price becomes $1.1, you will be having 2 minutes to decide whether you want to stop your instance or you want to terminate your instance. Moving on, let's talk about spot blocks. Now, this is a pretty useful concept that we have out there. You can use spot blocks to stop your spot instances from being terminated even if the spot price goes over your maximum spot price. So previously we saw that if your spot price go if the current spot price goes above your maximum spot price, you have 2 minutes to decide what to do. But if you are using spot blocks, you can prevent your instances from being terminated if the current spot price goes above your maximum spot price. You can set spot blocks for between 1 to 6 hours currently. So as of the current implementation that AWS has, you can set spot blocks. So in the scenario that your your maximum spot price is $1 and the current spot price is $1.5, which is above your maximum spot price, you can set a spot block between 1 to 6 hours. So within that 1 to 6 hours, if the price is still above your maximum, your instance will not be terminated. Moving on, and finally, let's discuss what are spot instances not good for? Spot instances are not good for persistent workloads, they are not good for critical jobs, and they are not good as databases. And the reason why they're not good for these three or such related tasks is because they are spot instances. You can create them on the fly if that capacity is available. Now, if someone else creates an on-demand server and that capacity goes away and the spot price increases, your servers have a high probability of being deleted. So hence why we do not use spot instances for where we have persistent workloads or any critical functionalities or databases. We normally use on-demand or reserved instances for all of these three specified use cases. So I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, do subscribe, and do comment if there are any other topics that you guys would like me to cover. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. See ya. Take care. Bye bye.